Hi Nick, you all right?
Yes, I'm really upbeat. I'm positive.
Gotta fake it till you make it, Nick.
Fake it till you become it, as Amy Cuddy says. Fake it till you become it.
True, it's
Yes,
true.
yes. No,
Right, so, okay, the global economy is having a hard time, and you and I have both started businesses and run businesses through some of the toughest recessions the world has ever seen. So I want to talk to you today
no,
about maybe three things to focus on
wow.
to make money in a recession.
Right.
So I'm going to start off with
Yes,
number one, which is follow the money. Work out which industries still have money and are doing well during the recession, whichever recession it is, because each one is
yes.
slightly different.
Yeah.
For example, in the 2008-9 recession, the pet industry grew by 5% and logistics grew. Okay. I also targeted the public sector in 2009 because their budgets hadn't yet been cut. So I was able to launch my coaching and training business and still make money in a recession. All right. What would you say number two was?
I would say take massive action.
You got an
I
example?
started my business, this training business, on the 4th of January 2008, and that was right just when RBS was about to go down the toilet, and it was a real mess. And of course, what people cut first is they cut advertising budgets, and then they cut learning and development, because it's just a no-brainer. It's an easy one to do. But there's still money out there. And I just had to take massive action, and that's get in touch with a lot of people. There's no substitute for that, Beck, and there never has been.
Yeah, you're absolutely right. I think the third and final one is have an abundance mindset. And we've talked about mindset before.
Yeah.
If you go around thinking that there's no money and there's no business anywhere and nobody's doing anything, then that's exactly what you'll find. But if
Yes.
you have a mindset that says there are bound to be people who need what I do in this
Yes.
current situation, then they will start
Yes.
appearing to you. You'll start thinking about them and reaching out to them and working out ways that you can position your product or service to sell to them. Now, you might need to change things slightly
Yeah.
about what you offer,
Yeah.
but the money is out there, isn't it?
Yes. Yeah, there is. I mean, even before this whole COVID thing started, people need to remember that the ECB, European Central Bank, was printing 20 billion euros a month and pumping it into the EU economy. That's 20 billion euros a month, right? I mean, they're literally printing money is what they're doing. And the other thing is that there are some industries that are doing very well. So we have friends that own a relatively small business, but they're into air conditioning. In other words, they clean air conditioning systems so that people don't get Legionnaire's disease. They are run off their feet at the moment,
Yeah.
because shops are going to start opening and their air conditioning systems have lain idle for the past 6 weeks. And the last thing they want to do is be pumping crappy air into the atmosphere. So we've got friends of ours that are mad busy. It occurs to me, if you are leasing or a leasing company or a rental company renting out vans, you must be doing a ton at the moment, because they're the only vehicles that are on the street, because everyone's buying everything online. So if you're a van manufacturer or van leaser, you must be doing, and that means that van mechanics must be doing really, really well and coining it in.
So how do you find these industries that are doing well? I learned today, and I'm going to pass this learning on to you all, is go to Google Trends. Google Trends will tell you what the world is searching on right now, and it's free. So you've got no excuse. You can go out and work out who's doing what and who's doing well. Have a look. That's 3 steps to take,
Yeah,
and you can get your business going again.
yeah. And
Brilliant.
divorce lawyers,
Divorce lawyers
they'll be
do
doing well.
very well.
That's
on
very
that note,
that is cynical, isn't it? But there'll definitely be some people going, I can't live another moment with you.
it's so true. It's so true. But there's money out there, and if you have the abundance mindset, you'll be able to find it.
Correct. Every time.
All right. Take care, Nick. See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.